Okay, let's talk about how to play the fraction swap game. You'll go to Google Classroom, you'll click on the game, and then this web page will come up. You may need to scroll down to find the game. Let's read the directions. Tap the deck to turn over a fraction card. The object of the game is to get all of the markers to the right side of the game board using as few cards as possible. So these red things are the markers. So I just played 2/4. Now, before I move the markers over, I'm going to think about what fractions are equivalent to 2/4 using these denominators. I've got, let me see here, I can use 2/4. I can move my marker over to 2/4. 2/4 is also equivalent to 1/2, right? Because 2 goes into 4 2 times. 4/8 can also go in there, right? 5/10. All of these fractions are equivalent to 2/4, 3/6. So I could move my markers over, my marker, the red dot over, using any of these fractions. I think I'll use 3/6. Yay! Okay, I've used 3/6. So I'm going to flip a new card over. 1/2. Now, what other fractions are equivalent to 1/2? Any of the fractions we just talked about where the numerator is half of the denominator. I might do 4/8. 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. Okay? 6/8. 6/8. What fractions are equivalent to 6/8 on this board? This one's a little tough one. Well, oh, sorry, I just clicked 5/8. Let's go with 5/8. I don't think any fractions are equivalent to 5/8, so I'm going to move my dot over 5/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. I can't go anymore, but you know what? I move my marker all the way over. That's kind of cool. 4/10. 4/10. I'm trying to think of a fraction fact family. 4 does not go into 10 at all. So I'm just going to move my marker over 4/10. There we go. 2/5. 2 does not go into 5 at all, so I can't think of a fraction fact family. So I'm going to move my marker over 2/5. 1/3. 1/3 is a fraction fact family. I can think of, let's see, where the numerator is 1/3 of the denominator. 2/6 is 1/3. So I can move my marker over 2 more 6. That's the same thing as 1/3. And that got this marker closer to 1, didn't it? I could have also moved it over to 1/3, but I see that marker is getting closer. 4/8. Ooh, that's the same thing as 1/2. Let's see here. Let's do 2/4. That's the same thing as 1/2. 1/6. Oh, look, I can move my marker over 1/6. I've already got 2 of them over there. I'm getting close. 2/8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So this is the fraction fact family fourth of the fourth fact family. Well, that means I can move this over 1 more 4th. You see how you're using your knowledge of the 8th family or of the fraction fact families? Now, 1/8. I don't see any fractions here that are equivalent to 1/8, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to skip this card. But 2/10. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So this is the 1/5 fact family. So I can either move this dot over 1, or I can move my 10th over twice. 2/10. I think I'm going to move over 2/10. 8/10. Ooh, I can go 8 more 10ths over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, I've already got one over. Yay! Awesome. So I'm going to keep going. 2/3. Well, let's move my 2/3 over. 3/10. I can't use any more of my 3/10 of my 10th pieces, and I don't see a fraction fact family here. Oh, that's frustrating. 4/5 though. 1, 2, 3/5. Awesome. 3/6. That's the half fraction fact family. So I'm going to go for 1/2 because I can see 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6 here. 3/4. This is 3/4 right here. I don't see it being equivalent to any other fraction, so I'm just going to go another fourth over. There we go. I'm very close. 5/6. 5/6 is not equivalent to any other fractions. 6/10. I've already used up my tenths. Do you see how the goal of the game is to use as least amount of cards as possible? So I think you kind of get the gist of it. It might take you a while, but I think it's a pretty fun card game. Good luck.